why are you still doing this? I mean, you could have had another job somewhere and, just, or even retire from the military and take your time and everything. But you're out there doing something you're obviously very passionate about and you do pretty well. So what is David's motivation here?
I've been interested in aviation since I was a young kid. I used to draw pictures of helicopters and airplanes. And I grew up in Delaware, just south of Philadelphia International Airport. So I saw I saw the airplanes flying over. Wilmington Airport is not far by. So I saw the other aircraft flying in, and we had military aircraft around all the time.
That's right.
And then I got into aviation through the military. And then 40 plus years in helicopters. I was starting to get a little tired of dealing with the same thing over again, so the repetitive issues in helicopters. And then, so what's getting me up is that I'm part of a revolution of aerospace. I'm a small part of what's happening to really change the scope of the aerospace industry, to change the way we move people and goods in the future. Right now I have 8 grandchildren. I'll probably have a few more. I think they're the oldest is 5. So in 20 years, this may be a normal mode of transportation for them.
Yes. You've been putting
and I want to make sure
poop
it's safe,
in your
reliable,
cars.
and efficient. Yeah.
Yes.
So that's what gets me up. It's really just fun. The people that I'm working with at our OEM partners, at our suppliers, in the infrastructure side, are just amazing. They're different. They're cut from a different cloth than traditional aviation people are, which are still really amazing people most of the time. But they're also getting kind of grumpy because they've been doing it for a long time. It's just really interesting. You're getting a viewpoint. You're getting a clean sheet of paper to work on something, to work on commercial agreements, to work on contracts, to work on new technologies. All these things are new. We're paving a new way. To be a small part of that is just exciting to me. So that's what keeps me going.
Yeah, and that's indeed, and it's felt. It's definitely felt. For those who are watching this or listening to the podcast, what would be your final word of wisdom? And I'm thinking here, like whether you're weathered aerospace a veteran or somebody just thinking about aviation in general, you might be in high school and college, whatever. What would be your words for these people, especially as it pertains to advanced air mobility?
Embrace the future, embrace new technologies, but embrace it with the knowledge of what you have already built, and how do you build on that? And where I mentioned cutting a new path, you don't want to go in the same direction that everybody else goes, because you're just going to get where they are. So find your way, find your passion. That drives you, if it's an aerospace, whether it's an engineer or whether it's flying the aircraft or maintaining the aircraft, all are vitally important, equally important positions. Supporting the logistics is vital. Getting in the cockpit, the engineering behind it, the maintenance behind it, all vital. So just find that passion and know that all jobs in this world, and there's a really great opportunity for growth. I mentioned people are certainly going to be one of the challenges we have. We're going to start embracing that a little bit more this year and next year.
Yes.
And how we train and how we write. But it's just a new technology. Think of aviation. Don't think of aviation as this big aircraft with turbine engines and helicopters and reciprocating engines. This technology is cool. I had the chance to fly a Leah in Norway.
Good.
And it was just
a
highlight of my aviation career.
Wow.
What an amazing sensation of flying an electric aircraft.
Yeah.
And then couple it with the beauty of Norway.